Wake up to a broken world today, where truth gets lost and justice fades away. Money speaks louder than a human cry, and innocent dreams are left to die. Brother stands against his own brother's face, different names but the same human race. We built these walls that divide our soul, now we're falling into a deeper hole. Tell me where the kindness used to be, where our hearts were pure and living free. Now every hand is holding fear, and no one wipes another's tear. Where did love go in this world so cold? Where do the stories of care unfold? We fight for power, we fight for pride, while humanity slowly dies inside. Don't tell me now, before it's too late. Is this the future that we create? We only live, we only die once here, so why is love disappearing? Rise, but honesty falls. Promises written on crumbling walls. Greed is growing in every land, while justice slips through every hand. We forget that we are the same. No religion can erase the name of being human, of feeling pain, yet we keep feeding this endless blame. If we could see through different eyes, we'd realize truth is not in lies. We're not enemies, we're just lost souls trying to fill these empty holes. Where did love go in this world so cold? Where did the stories of care unfold? We fight for power, we fight for pride, while humanity slowly dies inside. Don't tell me now, before it's too late. Is this the future that we create? We only live, we only die once here, so why is love disappearing? Maybe the world is crying tonight for every wrong that we call right. If we don't change, if we don't see, there will be no you and no me. Where did love go? Where did we fall? We built a world that's losing it all, but in our hearts they're still alive to bring us back to what is right. We only live, we only die once here, so let's bring back love before it disappears.